Okay, in this video, we're going to see what, as a coach, you must observe during your trainees while they are sprinting. First one, they have to stay tall and sprint tall. The posture is most important thing, followed by power and position of the limbs. They have to have a tight midsection and relaxed shoulders and neck. The neck determines how the limb transfers force into the ground. So there should be neutrality in the neck and relaxed shoulders for high speed sprinting. The second important thing is pushing the ground harder. Every step must be so hard, so there must be very minimal ground contact time. At the same time, there must be a very hard effort into the ground. Third one, imagine you're breaking a brick with your elbow, hammer the elbow down. The arm is proximal to the brain, so the arm action determines the velocity and force generation of the lower limbs. The fourth one is similar to the third one, but here we are looking at the front side mechanics of knee drive. For the arm drive, we are moving it down. Here you are moving it up and forward. Imagine you are breaking thin sheet of ice, which is near your hip height. The final one is toe dorsiflexion. That is a first method as a big toe dorsiflexion. The toes pointed down will make the landing soft. Dorsiflex or cocked ankle will make the ground contact and brief as well as harder. So next we'll move into exercise which can help in sprinting. So I'm talking about strength training. I'm not talking about weight training. Strength training is something which will develop strength. Weight training is something which we use with different methods: bodybuilding, powerlifting, weightlifting, or any other methods. First, develop basic strength using isometrics, push-ups, pull-ups, rear foot elevated split squats, jumps, throws, and then move into dynamic movements. Same push-ups, pull-ups, rear foot elevated split squats, jumps and throws. Once you are proficient, add speed squats, speed deadlifts, barbell bench presses, and finally Olympic weightlifts. This thing shouldn't take off training from sprinting. If you want to sprint fast, you have to sprint fast. There are some eye transfer exercises which can improve sprinting ability. For block and acceleration, 20 to 30 meter sprints with sled or hill sprints. For max velocity and top speed, hurdle jumps placed with appropriate distance, so the vertical force production is high. And most important thing is rest and regeneration. Do everything with optimal rest period. The minimal guide for beginner would be take 1 minute off for every 10 meters covered. For advanced, you can go up to 90 seconds to 2 minutes. In case if you're bothered why I didn't add anything to strength endurance development, once you increase your acceleration and max velocity, strength endurance will be simultaneously developed. So I'll recap again: stay tall, push the ground, drive the elbows down, drive the knees up and toes up. Once you can observe these in your trainees sprint mechanics, adding some variation of weight strength training and eye transfer exercise will further enhance this performance.